Alright guys, apologies beforehand. I'm in a public building, so it's a little bit loud here, but yeah, figured I'd record a video since I haven't in a while. This will be an update of the Omega Movers Nashville experiment. I have taken sort of a break for the past 5 days, kind of had a lot of stuff going on, switching jobs, getting new clients. It's just apologies. I will definitely now be under time pressure like I already wasn't for the project. So even though we started on basically the 28th, 29th, I've basically only done like a week's worth of work. I just started again today, so now about 8 days of work. We'll see. Here's the update though. I'll flip my screen around. So, first of all, we have our Omega Movers Nashville. So what we have so far is we've got this press release right up here. We've got our website finally showing up. We have our GMB right here. We have some YouTube videos. We have Tumblr, Weebly, Pinterest, basically a social fortress. We've got Movers Omega? Yeah, cool, that's my main page. We've got our Twitter page. We have citations. Let's see what else we have on here. Citations, directories, here's our blog spots. We basically completely own I have 100 results, and so far all of them are me. I even have a Google Doc that's ranking right now. For those of you that don't believe that DriveStack works, or that Google doesn't see it, straight up, it's right here. Just literally. I'll even show you what it looks like. Yeah, it's just like straight up, it's a presentation. Anyway, going back, we're gonna keep looking at it. So we're about 30 down, still going. Flickr, we have some photos that are showing up. I published them to Flickr. Oh wow, my press release hub is showing up strangely. I didn't even realize I connected the two. Let's take a look. Interesting, yeah, they're all showing up here. Cool. Let's keep going. So you can have whatever. With this, I do my own press releases, so I basically have Andrew Ansley as the hub for that, although I didn't think I'd connected it. So we're still getting just me. Total domination for my own name from basically non-existence on the 28th. Okay, so here we go. We have 2 that aren't me. News blur, books, that's not me. Here we go, that's some right there, that is me. Me. Once again, me. Trying to see if there's anything else here. Omega Movers. Your blog has been suspended. Some of my stuff is falling off apparently. Keep looking. Okay, so then we start getting our first competitor who's showing up. So we've totally dominated the name. Literally, there's like 100. Out of 100, maybe like 85 are me, which is awesome. So we're gonna go over here now for a review of the GMB. Let's look at the posts. Alright, so we've got some posts here. We've got 1 a day is what I've been doing. Took a small break. As you can see, that was a 5-day break 6 days ago. I hadn't done anything since this. 6 days ago. So I had originally posted these things, and then Google didn't allow it, if you guys remember that sort of debacle for a second, but they are now here, which is good. Business info, all filled out. Got it all going on. We're good there. Don't have any reviews yet. I'll work on those. But yeah, we have our enough photos. We should probably add more, but for now, this is what we have. The actual website. So if you look here, we have one other location under this. We have a guide to hiring a Nashville mover, packing services, out-of-state moving Nashville. I think for here, I am actually using AI content. No, I just straight up took like whatever was ranking for this. There's not even an image on this. Yeah. So this was just an already existing website. The rest of it, I believe I actually AI generated this one. I actually wrote this one and the in-state moving Nashville one, along with Nashville Moving Company. This is what it looks like. I've already shown you guys, I believe. It's a drive stack, essentially. Same with the Gulch, Tennessee Moving Company. Boom. Here's what the video looks like, by the way. Mega Movers is a luxury moving company. Yep, you get the picture. We have our worksheet here. So I've got, well, maybe I didn't save my NAP. I'm supposed to have that here. I've got all my press release links right here. I've done 133 keywords. So I just kind of have like the worksheet already. Have some authority site links in case I want to use them. I've got some all sorts of stuff. I've got all these YouTube videos. I've created 28 or 27 so far. I still need to add some bit.ly links to that. I've been kind of lacking. So I'm not using like a full team for this, and I have one other person kind of helping, but normally this would be much easier. But since I'm pretty busy, I cannot do all this on my own, but I would make more use out of bit.ly. Bit.ly is a great buffer link. I'm actually having trouble with my cloud accounts. Not really working. Here's my main YouTube channel. And this is just straight up, let's see here. Yeah, so we've got all our videos here. Gulch, Tennessee, Nashville Packing, in-state moving Nashville, long-distance moving Nashville, all that good stuff. And here's me just saying nonsense. I think that's about it. Let's look at the rankings. I don't think, here I'm going to pause it real quick. So I've actually got a problem with being able to track ranking stuff right now. So the way that a Google site works is I have to do the exact page, and this won't necessarily be the page that's ranking. So I don't really know what's happening here. I need to get this to update, but it's just not the best. So essentially I'm just going to have to look at this manually, unfortunately. The other option here is to go to Local Viking. And once we're in Local Viking, I want to do moving company Nashville. We'll do a 7x7 search. We'll do full 2 miles. Actually, I'll do this instead. Paint the town red. Alright, so this one's obviously the short, or the main keyword. I'm sure we can still rank for, or we might be able to rank for other things. I'm only really going for Nashville right now. GMB's only been live for about 5 days, 6 days. Let's see if it pops up. Okay, 2020. So, still a lot of work to do. Let's do another one. We'll do moving company Omega moving Nashville. Wait, Omega Movers. Nashville, cool. Movers, Nashville. Let's see what shows up. Last I checked, we were actually higher, so I wonder if we fell off for a second. Yeah, for whatever reason, like right here, or ranking, but not bad for 7 days of work for something that's pretty competitive. Let's look at the href stats. Oh, there we go. Do. Here we go. There we go. All of its glory. Okay, let's take a look. By the way, I think a Google site's kind of a pain in the ass to rank. I don't really think you should try to rank it. It's been quite annoying. So let's look by DR first, see what's on here. So we got about, some LO, garbage, moo tools, some of my auto-generated stuff. So like, take a look at what these look like. You'll probably notice that you have links like this. There's supposed to be an image here. I wonder if it'll load. Yeah, see, have a peek at these guys. Yeah, exactly. Cool. One of the other things that's kind of annoying is I can't create an RSS feed, but what I've done instead is Mega Movers Nashville Blogger Weebly Blogspot. There it is. Cool. So as you can see, it is today's date. I just released this one and syndicated it. So that means this triggers everything else. So my Tumblr should now have that same post. Yep, Gulch, Nashville, Tennessee. Cool. If we look at my WordPress site, same exact thing, and so on and so forth. So all of them are connected. Let's do one more thing. Mega Movers Nashville, blah, 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 blah. Up at the top. Let's look at some videos. Created a lot of videos. So 1, 2, 3, 4, like, yeah, I mean, I have quite a bit ranking. So this one is mine too, although the tool kind of combined that. Not mine. Mine. That's good. I'm curious actually if just for Movers Nashville, let's see. Yeah, I'd be surprised if it was ranking already against these guys. So Green Truck Mover is pretty big. College Hunks Moving Junk, national brand. Black Tie Moving, national brand. Six Man Movers, national brand. Yeah, just a pretty hefty. I wonder if any of them pop up actually. Nashville Moving Company. Nah, same stuff. Well, moving company, no. Oh well. Hey. Well, there I am for Nashville Moving Company. That's the video of me talking. So, I think that's the only one ranking so far, though. Interesting. Okay, that is it for the update. I'll keep you guys updated again. Next step is just to, where is my site? Oh yeah, here's my worksheet. So what I've done is I have these, where are they at? Okay, cool. Actually, I think it's here, stack setup national, there we go. So I have some stuff here, and what I want to make sure of is I've captured some of the known places in Nashville. I need to start writing content about that. Then I have separated it out to the outer layer of Nashville and the center layer of Nashville, and I just targeted the Gulch. Next one will probably be Sobro or Watkins Park, something like that. Rolling Mill Hill, Edgefield. So all these places are within 2 miles of Nashville, so we'll try to work on that. Yeah. Let's see, the next thing is Mega Movers Nashville. Oh, wait. Oh. Omega. Boom. We're going to check some indexation real quick. Twitter. I'm trying to get some Twitter links. See if it's indexed. I just posted this, so it's very unlikely. Let's see if it goes in there. Boom. Trying to test this out as well. Getting a Twitter link on here. We'll see if that works. But yeah. So that's it for now. Hopefully that was informative. And yeah, we'll see. Oh, I do have one more thing. My tool, or I've had some server issues, so some of the tools that I normally would use are kind of just on the fritz. So I need to figure out what I'm going to do, because service providers would take too long. So yeah, that's a bit of an issue. We'll see what I can do. But, you know, the show must go on. So, all right, guys.